Hey everyone, Chris here with Odie's on Finance, Dat's Recording. We're here with Aaron and Dr. Peter Pham, founder of Zocular. We've brought these products into our office and it's just been an absolute game changer for blepharitis and Demodex for our patients. Peter's going to demonstrate.
Hi everyone, it's Dr. Peter Pham. So as Chris was saying here, it's not just only for Demodex and blepharitis here, but especially if you have an IPL, this is a great way to really increase the IPL revenue growth because you get an instant and immediate dramatic improvement in clinical signs and symptoms by at least 50% on the very first IPL by just doing it just right before you do IPL number 1, before you put on the ultrasound gel. And so let's demonstrate here on Aaron here, okay?
Hey Aaron.
All right.
Take a break.
So again, there's no anesthetic required there. It takes about 3 to 7 minutes to do. And this is simple. You just apply, close your eyes there for me, lift up your chin, and here we go. We put a lot of gel on the eyelids here like this. And then we turn this gel into a foam like this, just going rapidly back and forth. You see it turns into a foam. Like that there, and then once it turns to a foam, you rapidly turn back and forth, very directional movement, and open your eyes for us a few minutes, blink a few times. As you can see, there's no redness, there's no irritation, there's no pain, even if the gel gets into the eye. And so that's the really cool thing about this Zest procedure. You get this dramatic and instant improvement in clinical signs and symptoms. Then we go to the lower lid, look up there for me, and then you want to use the gauze here to pull down the lower lid, and you can see here, you just go across that lash margin again, back and forth like this. Lower lid takes about half to a third amount of time as the upper lid, and you go right across my meibomian gland orifice there. And then you're done. You just then clean it up like that, and then you wash it off. Look up there for us. You want to press hard, get a stream of saline across the ocular surface, clean everything up, look up. Clean everything up, down and out motion. Look up there for us, down and out. And then look up, down and out. And then you're done.
Aaron,
That's it.
how does it you feel?
Feels awesome. Feels great.
That's pretty eyelashes. Peter, what exactly is the Always on Finance promo right now?
So the Odie's on Finance promo, you buy 36, you get 6 free, and you bring a friend over who buys another package from us, you also get an additional 6 free, so you get a total of 12 for both you and your colleague that you refer.
Thank you so much, Peter. Appreciate
All right,
it.
thanks everyone.